Meaning of gamma.
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 Gamma. Gamma is the third letter of the Greek alphabet, represented by the symbol gamma. In mathematics and physics, it often refers to the gamma function, which is a generalization of the factorial function, and has applications in various areas such as probability theory and number theory. In physics, gamma can also refer to the Lorentz factor, which describes time dilation and length contraction in special relativity. Additionally, gamma rays are high-energy electromagnetic radiation produced by some radioactive decay processes. Overall, the term gamma has diverse meanings and applications in different fields of study.